I made new friends.
Yo, never back down, never what?
I want my name to be a household product.
I'm my best, I'm myself whenever you're around. You're my favorite sound. Favorite sound. I felt my pain drift away with November rain. Clear my soul and my mind. And you're the reason why. You make no sense, make sense.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Jose. If you are new here,
We're gonna act like a family.
subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome YoGs. That's what I call my subscribers. If you want to be a YoG, all you gotta do is subscribe. It's free. So go ahead and be part of this great community that I am building. But right now, we just finished the workout at F45. It was good. It was challenging. It was a lot of burpees. I'm not good at that. Like this is a lot of body to be moving up and down. So, but I got through it. It was a lot of fun. I'm probably gonna come back here tomorrow as well. But I definitely want to try different gyms in the area since like I do have this ClassPass, and why not take advantage of everything that this beautiful city has to offer. But right now I literally have to put water washer fluid in my car. I gotta get a tire. I gotta put air in my tire, and I gotta get gas. So let's go over and start doing all that stuff. Yo, I was doing the burpees and everything, and I felt so heavy, but I got it out of the system. I got it out of my system. Out of the day, I feel like I'm gonna conquer the world, and I still got a whole day ahead of me. Oh, it was 6. I did the 6 a.m. class. So let's go to the gas station. Not this dirty. You know what? Let me just wait until we get home. Okay, y'all, so this is the third gas station that I've been to, and I guess everybody needs air in their freaking tires this morning because everyone that I went to, it was all packed. So now I'm like, you know what, let me just wait in line at this Wawa because the air thing is free. So let me just wait, and I'm tired. But we gonna persevere. I'm grateful. I keep saying I'm telling y'all, I gotta keep saying I'm grateful because this is first world problems. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, we are back home from work. I am so tired. That workout really did a number on me, but I think I'm gonna go tomorrow to the same one because today was more cardio based. They said that tomorrow's gonna be more like strength training, so like I really want to go to that one. But right now I was gonna do this tomorrow, but I couldn't wait because I'm trying this new, it's basically a razor. I'm trying this new flawless face, removes hair instantly, pain free. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try this with y'all. This is the first time we're trying this product. I really want this product was recommended by my brow tech. I was like, do you have anything that like can, because I hate these facial hairs. Y'all know that like it grows in patches, and I let this grow out as much as I can, but today is the day where I'm like,
Enough is enough.
you have to go. I just don't like the look of it. I don't like the feel of it. I just feel like it doesn't suit my face. So I have like hair here, mustache, and then my chin area. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this product out to see if I like it or not. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a little like lipstick, mascara, very compact. Oh yeah, even almost like a little lipstick. And it comes with a battery, AA. How do you open this? Hello. How do you do it? Grab the upper section from the unit with one hand and bottom. Read the instructions. You know why? Because reading is fundamental. Oh wow, comes on light. Yo, I'm scared. Why am I nervous? Wait, I don't have my glasses. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I put my glasses on just so I can see. And let me go ahead and just start here. Yo, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, come on. I really don't put any like shaving cream. All right, come on, let's go. All right, let me look at it in the mirror. Okay, I'm like scared, you know. All right, let me use this. So far, it doesn't feel like anything. Like I can hear it working. But it doesn't feel too abrasive. All right, let me just get off the camera, go take a better look, and then I'll be right back. All right, I mean, it was whatever. Let's try the chin area. Ow! Ow! Who the fuck? No. Oh, no. These are pulling my hairs. Can I return this? I really don't like this. Maybe you have to be shorter and then get it. Maybe I grew it out too long. Mustache, it worked good. But down here, it hurt. Y'all heard me, right? It was pulling my shit, my thing. Like I was here like what? Okay, I'm just gonna get off this. Use my shaving cream and my regular razor and just call it a night. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna try using this again. I don't like it for like, I think I grew my hairs way too long. I think like if you have like little hair that starts growing, then you start doing it, I think it'll be fine, which I'm gonna try again. But I do not recommend it growing it long. I'm gonna go ahead and just shave my face like I do regularly and then keep it pushing. But it's cute, the design is cute, aesthetically pleasing. Would I recommend this? No, I would not. Am I gonna use it again and try it again? Yes, but we shall see. All right, don't let your hair grow out like this too long, all right? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna shave my face and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. We are off. This is day 2. I'm tired as hell. I woke up at 5, but my class starts at 6:15. I have my gym bag. This is gonna be my official gym bag now. And we're off. Excuse the dirty mirror. Sorry. But we're off to the gym. Let's get her. Okay, y'all. I just got home from... Well, I got off of work and then I went to Trader Joe's and look what I got for Max.
Ah, that's true. It is.
Boom. These are so cute. Oh, and they smell divine. Loretta divine. Put this over here. Well, yeah, guys, I just got home and I just want to do a little quick story time because it baffles me that, okay, I get off of work. When I get off of work, it's a rush hour, right? I went to Trader Joe's. I was getting out the little plaza. Hold on, I was getting out the little plaza. So like cars are stacked, right? They're like, it's a 4-lane, 5-lane. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5-lane intersection, right? It's a red light. People are stopped. People behind me are honking at me, and I'm like, what do you want me to do? Like, it's rush hour, 1, and 2, it's a red light. People are stopped there. Like, we're gonna get home when we get home. You still got like a plethora of cars to get through. You know what I'm saying? So then the person behind me, and keep in mind, the area that I'm in is a little uppity, right? So there's a Bentley behind me, and that's the main culprit. And they're trying to get through. I see them in my rearview mirror and my side mirror. I see them trying to get through. I'm like, what do you want me to do? There's cars in front of me. There's a red light. I can't get through, buddy. The Bentley tries to like maneuver over, right? And I'm like, oh no, not today. Not on my non-existent watch. I freaking, when he pulls over, I like swerve over to stop him. And I'm like going like this, right? And I was like, oh, please hit the back of my car. Please hit the back of my car. I know you drive a Bentley. I know you got insurance. I know you got insurance. Hit the back of my car. But he didn't hit my car. And he stayed right where he wanted to stay. Well, he stayed where he needed to stay. And I just moved on over because it was my turn to go. I'm going to go when I'm going to go, right? There's a stop sign here. You're literally running a stop sign. Another one. You're running a stop sign. There's people in front of you. You're going to hit the back of my car. People don't think. It's rush hour. People don't think. Getting me sweaty, bro. Worked up. But yeah, guys, I made it home safe. Hopefully he did too. The way he was driving. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go. If you see a mess in the back, it's because there is one. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean. I got my little Trader Joe's and just clean. I gotta wash my sheets and just like relax for today. It was a lot. Oh, also working out at 6 a.m. I feel like I need things to do now. You know what I'm saying? Before I would work out in the evening and then I'm like, oh, my whole day is done. I just gotta go home, eat, go to sleep. Now that I got that out of the way, now I'm home. What am I doing? But damn, I feel like I can get more done. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get that situated, get my whole apartment situated. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, y'all, look at the little arrangements. They came out so nice. This was my favorite. Don't tell the other one. But look at this one. All right, gotta go. All right, y'all, we are back from Walmart and Aldi's. I did 2 stops, but now I'm going to meal prep so I can get ready for this week. I'm not gonna show y'all in this vlog, but let me know if you guys wanna see what I eat in a day to stay big. Let me know what y'all want. Let me know if you guys wanna see that. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and start cooking, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, y'all. We are on, it's wobbly, I'm sorry, but I have you on my tripod, so excuse the wobbliness. But we are on our way to a fitness class. Well, first of all, we're on our way to downtown Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. Doom cha-cha. We're going to downtown Fort Lauderdale because there's a free fitness class, and I feel like this whole week has been like a fitness vlog, like getting back on my routine, and I'm not mad about it. Like, first of all, my friend Christy, she sent me this on Instagram, and I was like, yo, if it's free, it's for me. So I'm going right there by myself to go try it out. I think I told her, I'm like, oh, let's go this week, but I think she's like prior engagements. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go by myself because I'm in this journey with y'all, but like by myself, you know what I'm saying? And I can't wait for this class to get started and to see what it's about. I'm also a little nervous because from like the videos, I don't see any big people trying this out. And usually I'm more comfortable with if I see like another plus size person, and hopefully I see one because then I feel more comfortable. But usually I don't, and I just adapt to my environment. Shout out to my Geminis, and just go with the flow and do what I gotta do, because I am my own best friend, and I pep talk myself all the time. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go over. I'll pick you guys up when we're there. Okay.
Yo sé dolce, a veces vulgar y cuando te lo quito después de los paris, las copas de vino, las libras de mari. Tú estás bien suelta, yo de safari. Tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como animal. Si no te has venido yo te voy a esperar en mi cama y lo voy a celebrar.
Baby, a ti no me pongo y siempre te lo pongo. Y si tú me tiras, vamos a nadar en lo hondo.
Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre hasta agosto. A mí sin cojones lo que digan tus amigas, ya yo me enteré. Se nota cuando me ves, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros quién va a hablar, si no nos dejamos ver.
Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ves.
I look like
All right, guys, we just finished our little workout, and I made new friends.
Yo, never back down, never what?
All right, y'all, we are done with that workout. It was so much fun. I'm definitely coming back again. I'm gonna see if they do like the same things, but honestly, I don't care if they do the same things because it's free. Oh, y'all, it's free. So yeah, I met 3 new friends, and they're like, "Oh, do you want to join our group?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure." And so we were all suffering together, and it was a lot of fun. I'm so glad I went. Oh my god! So I started taking a fiber supplement, baby. My stomach was in shambles the whole workout. I was like, please, Lord, please just let me get through this hour, and then do what you gotta do. Let nature run its course. But right now, you need to hold up. Everybody needs to calm down. And thankfully, it was. I'm not even. Nothing happened. I was gonna say a little TMI, but you know what? We're just gonna keep it pushing. And yeah, so I'm so glad I went. But thank you guys. This is the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please comment down the little heart emoji with the hands. And I will see you guys next week. Oh my god, I gotta get a car mount because I'm tired of putting y'all through all this mess. So anyways, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.